FANUC A61L-0001-0093, CRT to LCD upgrade, the complete professional guide. Your 9-inch FANUC display dimming, blurring, flickering, classic CRT aging, parts scarce, repair costly. Confirm the model, A61L0001-0093. Fits FANUC 00I OMD 16 and 18 series. The original CRT, 120-pin signal, DC 24-volt power. The Kanto LCD module, same footprint, same connectors, industrial TFT, reinforced glass. The data is decisive, 800 by 600 resolution, 350 nits, 0 flicker, 30 watts down to 8, 50,000 hour life. Same size, same mount, new technology inside. Plug and play, 1-to-1 cable, no wiring changes, no parameters, no modification. 30 minutes, 1 screwdriver. The result? Clear, stable, pixel sharp, day 1 performance that holds. Field proven on FANUC 0 series, 0I, and OMD systems worldwide. Ready to upgrade your FANUC display? The result? Clear, stable, pixel sharp, day 1 and beyond. Proven across FANUC systems 0IM, TOM, OT, and OMD. Field tested worldwide, reliable replacement that holds up. Kanto KT0093 LCD, 2-year warranty, lifetime support. Ready to upgrade? Contact us today.